Behind you.
Oof. Nice.
Tank.
Oof.
There's stuff in the back of the ambulance as well once we clear these.
Charger, charger, charger.
Oh, he got me.
He's dead.
Okay.
Oh shit. Great.
Oh, and me.
Way to drop.
Oh, there's a boomer. There's a boomer right by her.
Oh shit. Which,
Oh,
which,
she's coming.
Oh,
She's coming.
fuck. No! No! No!
Got you.
Son of a bitch. Oh, cheers.
Looked like she was raking your bottom with her nails.
Yes, apparently so. Watch, I'm trying until
I can hear him, but
somebody
can't see him.
goes down.
Oh, there's a grenade launcher in the back of that truck.
Wait, there he is, there he is. Nice, use all those bullets and then somebody else just nips
Oh,
in.
there he is, tank.
Eat it, big guy. Oh, me again, yeah? Me. Always me, yeah?
Where is he?
Down below. He's
Got
dead.
him with
He's
I
dead.
had got him with a grenade launcher. Coming for you. One behind you.
Move for some reason. I'm good again. I'm good. Low health, but I'm good.
Anything in this little shack?
Not that I could see.
No. Do you want me to heal you?
If you're actually full health.
Because one of them will heal us if we get into trouble. I can hear a jockey.
Yeah, there he is, there he is. Nice!
I jumped in the back of the truck and got the grenade launcher.
That's where that scar came from.
Yeah, I've got the scar back now.
Let's
Gonna
go.
put a pipe
go.
bomb out.
Let's do it. Are you in?
Yeah.
Another tank. Nice.
Yay!
A bit easier than the last one, I think.